Top gardening chores for May, full monthly garden checklist. Hey garden friends, welcome back to the Wormy Garden. May is one of the busiest and most rewarding months in the garden, especially if you're in USDA Zone 7A or similar climates. It's time to transition from spring to full-blown summer gardening. In this expanded video, I'll walk you through everything you need to do in the garden this month, from planting and fertilizing to pest control, pruning, and prepping for long-term harvests. The soil is warming, flowers are blooming, and veggies are ready to thrive. But without the right care in May, your garden could struggle come summer. I'll cover what to plant, how to feed and water, how to protect young plants from pests, and ways to set up your garden for the hot days ahead. Whether you're growing in raised beds, in-ground rows, or containers on a deck or patio, this checklist is your May roadmap to success. Chore 1. Plant warm season crops. Now is the time to transplant heat-loving crops like tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and basil. Direct soybeans, corn, cucumbers, squash, okra, and melons. These crops love warm soil. Soak seeds like beans and peas overnight to speed up germination. Chore 2. Harden off indoor starts. If you started seeds indoors earlier this spring, it's crucial to harden them off before transplanting. Place them outside for a few hours a day over 7 to 10 days, gradually increasing sunlight and exposure to wind. Chore 3. Feed the soil. Your plants are getting hungry. Side dress with compost or aged worm castings. Start feeding fruiting crops every 2 to 3 weeks with compost tea or an organic liquid fertilizer. Chore 4. Mulch, mulch, mulch. Mulch your beds and containers with shredded leaves, straw, or compost. This helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and keep weeds under control. Leave a gap around stems to prevent rot. Chore 5. Set up irrigation or watering routine. Establish a watering routine. Deep water 1 to 2 times per week early in the morning. Use soaker hoses or drip irrigation to conserve water and reduce disease. Chore 6. Scout for pests. Aphids, flea beetles, and cabbage worms are active in May. Check the undersides of leaves, use neem oil or insecticidal soap, and bring in beneficial bugs like ladybugs or lacewings. Chore 7. Stake and support. Stake tomatoes, peppers, and flowers now to avoid root damage later. Install trellises for beans, cucumbers, and squash to grow upward and save space. Chore 8. Deadhead and Prune. Remove spent flowers from spring bloomers to encourage more blooms. Lightly prune herbs like mint, oregano, and thyme to keep them bushy and flavorful. Chore 9. Start succession planting. Keep your harvest going with new plantings of lettuce, radishes, spinach, and arugula every 2 to 3 weeks. Bonus tip: May is the perfect time to start or expand your vermicomposting setup. Warm temperatures get your worms active and breaking down kitchen scraps fast. Just keep the bin out of direct sun. May is a month of momentum. A little effort now sets your garden up for big results all summer long. If this video helped you plan your month, give it a like, leave a comment with what you're planting, and don't forget to subscribe to the Wormy Garden for more seasonal tips and worm-powered gardening advice.